I used to hate month end, living hand to hand with bills to pay nor cash to spend. I hated month end, having to put food on the table. I felt like my mind was disabled. I hated month end. My payslip meant to bring me peace and joy, instead brought me tears and sorrow, stress and anxiety. I worked, but only for debts, until I learned the art of budgeting. A pula here, a pula there, a pula there, a tebe there. Budget, meeting income and expenditure. I'm now living on my means, and my pathway to success is giving me peace. I love month end. Wait, I don't have to wait for month end. I budget.